Hello class, welcome to our welding tutorial. Today, our lesson is all about stringer bead in flat position. But before that, let's define what is a stringer bead. A stringer bead is most often the first welding technique that a beginner learns. In order to make a stringer bead, all you need to do, you drag your electrode straight across to the seam or to your base metal. There is no motion aside from dragging or pulling. Then, if you will start the stringer bead and you are right-handed, you will start from left to right. And if you are a left-handed, you will start from right to left. Before we perform the stringer bead in flat position, let's identify the safety precaution that we need to follow to avoid the accident while performing the activity. So first, safety precaution, wear personal protective equipment. Second, look first the surrounding before striking an arc. And third, do not look at the arc with your naked eye. And fourth and last, do not touch the metal after welding. So these are the tools, equipment, and materials used in performing stringer bead in flat position. So these are the materials. First is electrode. Electrode E60 13 2.4 mm diameter. Next is the metal plate. The sizes of metal plate is 4 inches by 8 inches by 3/16 inch na metal plate. And also, these are the tools. The tools are rice ware, steel brush, chipping hammer. And the equipment is welding machine. Let's proceed to our PPE. So this PPE will protect ourselves from sputters or any danger surrounds the welding operation. So first PPE is welding helmet. Welding helmet to protect our face and eyes from the arteries. And also the safety glasses. Next is the dust mask or face mask. And we also need the gloves or leather gloves. And lastly, the welding jacket. So these are the tools, equipment, materials, and PPE to perform the stringer bead in flat position. Now, let's demonstrate the procedures in performing stringer bead in flat position. So here's are the procedure. Step 1, prepare the tools, equipment, and materials needed. Step 2, set up the welding machine. So take note, class, check the electrical connection before switching on the machine. And set the current between 70 ampere to 100 ampere. Okay, so let's turn on the circuit breaker. And I will set the current 80 ampere. Step 3, wear the suitable protective equipment. So, nakasuot na sa atin yung mga PPEs na dapat natin suotin. Next, step 4, clamp the bare end of the electrode in the holder. So this is the bare end of electrode, yung walang coating. And clamp to the electrode holder. Step 5, lay the plate in flat in a welding table where you are comfortable as possible when welding commences. Okay? So lay the metal plate in the welding table. Step 6, make a line using chalkstone or marker for your guide to make a straight bead or stringer bead. So this line will be your guide to make a stringer bead. Step 7, strike an arc, whether it is tapping method or scratching method. Tapping method, all you need to do is to tap the electrode to the base metal. And next, scratching is scratch the tip of the electrode to the base metal. Okay, so step 7. And next, step 8, continue welding until you reach the end of the plate. Okay, step 9, clean the weld using chipping hammer and steel brush or wire brush. Take note, use clear goggles when chipping. The direction of chipping should be away from you. So this is the finished product of finger bead in flat position.
Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Mr. Ronald A. Gonzales.